Hey guys, I'm Anu and welcome back to my channel. So I am doing another haircut. So this time it will be a layer haircut. I have this dead hair due to bleaching and coloring my hair. So I'm gonna chop it off and make it as good as possible. My hair is doing really bad, so I wanted to get rid of this dead hair and give it a fresh haircut. So let's get started with the video. So firstly, I'm gonna comb my hair and I'm gonna make a partition for each layer. So in the previous video I got a comment कि I should comb my hair, I should do something भनेर. I did comb my hair, but my hair is so curly and it doesn't look combed at all. So I'm gonna comb my hair, I'm gonna wet my hair as well. So let's get started with the video. So I have combed my hair, so I'm gonna split some of the water and make it red. So I'm gonna section my hair into 3 parts. This is going to be my back section. So this is going to be my front section. I'm going to clip this, and this is going to be my second section that I have. Going to chop this much of hair. So I'm gonna clip it out here. Doing the same on the other side. So this is going to my first section. This is my second section. I'm going to chop an inch upward. I have made a layer, so I'm gonna chop it off one by one. So here is the first cut. So I am done chopping off my hair, and this is how it looks like. It is layer, but I don't know it is layer or not. But I have chopped off my hair and it looks more healthier than before. So I'm gonna style and show you guys how the final product looks like. So this is the final hair that I have. This is how it looks like. It is much healthier than it was. अनि यता अगाडि चाहिँ I have this front layer, and this is how it looks like right now. It is much better than before. So yeah, this is how it looks like. It isn't that layered, but it is good, and it looks good on my curly hair as well. So yeah, this is it for today's video as well. I hope you got a bit of idea that how you can cut your own hair at home and save some money. So this is how I usually chop my hair and at home. So yeah, this is how it looks like. It is much better. This is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I hope it was a bit of helpful as well. So we'll meet you in the next video. Until then, be safe, take care, bye bye.